To inform our students that our college has set up an AI lab for the betterment of our students as well as our faculty members too. And this is our inaugurating program. Our program AI lab, and it is possible today because of our principal madam, her initiative, her inspiration and vision. আজকে আমাদের AI lab বানাতে সাকসেসফুল করেছে, তো আমাদের তরফ থেকে প্রিন্সিপাল ম্যাডামকে একটা বিগ ক্লাস we'll start to our core program. Today we have our chief guest and our resource person, Professor Nilanjan. He is a professor at Techno International, New Town, Kolkata, as well as he is a visiting fellow at University of Reading, United Kingdom. Our principal madam will receive our guest. Please assist.
However, good afternoon to each and everyone. On behalf of the Victoria Institution College, first and last, I welcome Dr. Nilanjan. He is very known to me for last several years. Just seeing him, it is not understandable that he is within 2% scientist as per reading of Stanford University. And I requested today Nilanjan to be the advisor of our AI lab, and he agreed to accept this proposal. Many times he is not, several times he is outside West Bengal because of the different lecture in the under the UGC Repressors course on AI. All of us know that now on AI everybody is giving the course to study AI by everyone, because AI came in our life each and every day. So each and everyone has to know what is AI and we have to apply AI. So today Nilanjan will deliver the lecture, and I believe faculty and teachers, staff, my dear students, they will get certain information, basic information from Nilanjan, and I hope we will continue our relations in future to establish the AI lab for our next generation, who will hold the society's steering to move on. Thank you, the Innovation Club members, IIC members, teachers, students, everyone for organizing this one-day seminar club workshop on artificial intelligence. I will not say anything about the
Techno. Yeah. So whatever the discipline is, we need to know AI, but we have to understand few things. First thing is, AI still can't create anything. It can only recreate. So that means you have to keep faith on the things which you are getting from AI, not blindly. You need to revisit, revalidate. If you are not revalidating content, then taking content generated from AI and putting into some paper is an offense, another criminal offense. So you can't generate any image or any content, and you can't copy from anywhere and put it into technical paper. That is a big no. So what are the things we can do, and what are the things our life much more easy, that I will try to tell you. So in our PhD days, what we used to do, we used to go to some library or we used to sit some machine, and we used to download a lot of paper from Google Scholar, maybe 50 paper, 100 papers. Then we used to scatter into different folders, year-wise, 2012, 2013, 14 in this way, up to current year. And every folder we used to put couple of papers, maybe 4 papers, 5 papers. Then we used to come up with an Excel sheet, spreadsheet, where the column is supposed to be like serial number, then year, then et al. So who is the author? Then comes the motivation, then last column was a limitation. So for every paper there is a motivation. And the motivation we used to copy from the introduction section, and the limitation we used to copy from the conclusion section. Then after that 50 papers, and this tedious task sometimes takes 1 year, sometimes 2 years, and guide always used to say start writing something, and then something takes almost 1 year, 2 years, and end of the day we used to summarize those motivation. So summation of all those motivation and summation of all those limitation. And if you minus summation motivation minus summation of limitation, etc. So there are total 250 words. It's a single one paragraph, and virtually they are separated. Now these two objectives, it should be written in which tense? Always your research objective, present tense. Method, methodology, you already used. Which tense? Past tense. Next two, results. You already got the result. That's why you are writing. So your finding should be in past tense. And again, conclusion. Again, which tense? It should be present. So present, past, present. This should be the flow. If this is not the flow, ultimately it will be a tense problem, and which is very common for summarizing tool. Any AI summarizer gives you always either in present or in past. So if you look into this example, you will see investigates, then participated, measured, then indicated. So these are past. Again, it's a present tense, so it is suggest. So that means this particular tense difference will tell you it is not taken from GPT. So that's why I am saying this is one example which is basically called informative abstract. There is another way. Here you don't have any kind of result. You don't have any kind of methods. What you are doing, you are writing a review paper. Review means revisiting others' work. Or survey means it's a kind of storytelling. You are talking about a story. I mean, you are saying a domain expert working in a domain for 12 years. You are writing a survey paper. A student can't write a survey paper. A person who is working in a field for maybe 12 years, maybe 15 years, they are only eligible to write survey. Student can write review paper. Review paper means putting the gun on some other person's shoulder, and you are firing. Ram said this, Sam said this, Amuk said this, but I never said anything. আমি কিছু বলিনি। লাস্টে বলে সবাই এই বলেছে কিন্তু আমি বলিনি। আমি সবাই কি করেছে দেখলাম, revisited others work. So student can write as a novice, as a beginners, anyone can.
আমরা কখনো শুনি না এত কিছু একবারে শিখলাম এবং সেটা তারপরেও আমাদের মাথার মধ্যে আছে স্টোর হয়ে, সেটা আমরা ভাবতে পারছি না আর কি এত কিছু শিখলাম। হ্যাঁ, কিন্তু এইসব কিছুর বাইরে একটা জিনিস আমার পার্সোনালি খুব ইন্টারেস্টিং
এটা প্রতিদিন চলে, মানে প্রতিদিন মানে এখন অলমোস্ট প্রতিদিন দাঁড়িয়েছে। আমি কালকে সারাদিন কলেজ করে রাত্রে আমি কোলাপুর বেরোবো, পরশু দিন আমি 10টায় পৌঁছাবো, দুদিন কনফারেন্স, মানে এটা খুব সারা বছর চলে।
এর মাধ্যমে আমরা বুঝতে পারছি কিছু লোকই এর এগেইনস্টে সার্ভাইভ করতে পারে।
হ্যাঁ, এসব বাজে কথা। মানে আসল কথাটা হলো যে বই মেলা গেলে কিন্তু এখনো প্রচুর লোকে দেখবেন বই কিনছে। আমার যে বইগুলো বেরিয়েছে ওই স্টল থেকে নিচে গিয়ে দূর থেকে দেখছিলাম যে কারা কারা দেখছে উল্টাচ্ছে, সামথিং গুড ফিলিং। আমার বইগুলো আপনার শরৎ যে পাবলিশার ছিল, ওটা কিন্তু ম্যাডাম ইংলিশ বই আছে, টেকনিক্যাল বই।
আচ্ছা, ফরমালি আমরা এই এআই ল্যাবের কোঅর্ডিনেটর সিঞ্জিনিদি এবং আমাদের সম্পূর্ণ টিম এবং আমাদের কলিগরা যারা এতক্ষণ বসে এইটা শুনেছেন এবং সম্পূর্ণ ইন্টারঅ্যাক্ট করে এই প্রোগ্রামটাকে এতটা সাকসেসফুল করেছেন, এবং আমাদের প্রিয় ছাত্রীরা যারা এত কিছুর পরও ক্লাস পরীক্ষা অ্যাটেন্ড করে এখানে বসে আমাদের প্রোগ্রামটা অ্যাটেন্ড করলো, তারা আশা করি ভবিষ্যতে আরও সুযোগ পাবে এই ধরনের জিনিসকে ব্যবহার করার জন্য, এবং আমরা স্যারকেও আরও বেশ কয়েকবার এখানে আনার চেষ্টা করবো।